Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we're going to look at the stock Walmart. We're going to look at the stock, whether the stock is now offering a buy point at this price level or not. They are making a lot of noise lately. They want to know enter a deal with Microsoft to buy TikTok, and today they announced that they're going to offer membership services as like Amazon Prime. So this stock has now made some noise lately, and it moved really nicely today. So let's see whether the stock is now offering a secondary entry point at this price level and where the stock can now go from here. And depending upon the situation, we can look at some calls for this stock. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are out there. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. There are a lot of good discussion happening. We love to guys see the part of the conversation. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks and indices in coming days. As always, we will start with the website. For the tracker for Walmart, it's added to the tracker back in August 17 when it was trading around $135.60, and as of today it's closed well over $147 and posting almost like 8 or 9 or 10% gain, give or take here and there. So the minimum entry price was $135.60 and the maximum entry price was $142.38, and the stop loss was $124.75, which was never in danger because this stock never priced below this price level. So let's look at the chart. So this stock was added to the tracker back in right here when on 8/17 when it has cleared this nice consolidation. So that is the reason it was added to the tracker at the time. But this stock now gave up the gains right away, but it found support at this 10-week moving average. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for Walmart. I like the weekly settings because it's eliminate a lot of daily noise, so you can see some kind of trend for short-term trading anywhere between a week to 3 months to 6 months. And the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average. And the 10-week moving average is the yellow plot, and the 50-week moving average is purple or pink plot. So it found also support on the other day on the 50-week moving average, which is a long-term trend, and the 10-week is for the short term. So it found support last week here and bounced back very nicely. And this week, last 2 days, it's rallied up quite a bit, almost $8 to $10 today. So normally, anytime the stock extends from its proper buy point from 5%, the maximum buy price, we will consider the stock is extended. Do not chase the extended stock. That is a bottom line. But this stock, I believe, is unique a little bit because they are getting into a new market and they are coming up with a lot of good things. At least catching up with the industry right now. So I believe this stock may not come down down in coming days, I believe. So it might rally, it might stall here, but I don't expect the stock to come down anytime soon. At least that is my opinion. So I believe right now you can still get into the stock with a small pallet buy around 148, 150 price range and see where things goes from there. If it is consolidate here a little bit, that'd be great, but I doubt that the stock will be doing any kind of consolidation unless otherwise the major market is move sideways or going to crash. So as of now, even though you can make a small exception and make a small pilot buy on this stock, and let's go from there and see how things pan out. So as we are a little bit bullish on this stock, so let us look at a couple of calls for this guy. So I'll be looking at October 160 and 165 call, but as you see here, it's rallied up quite a bit today. They are almost around 300% rallied it. So hopefully if the stock's going to cool off a little bit in coming days, probably this calls maybe sound attractive. So I would if you want to get into the call, that is fine, or if you want to cool down a little bit, that's okay too. So at least if the stock consolidated here at least for next couple of weeks, that would be great news, but I doubt it'll do it. So you can just keep eye on these calls, and if you find these calls are really attractive, you can get on them sometime soon or later. So I will be looking at 160, 165. That is reasonable to achieve in next 6 weeks. Anything 170, 175 and all really steep at this time. Okay, guys, I still believe that Walmart is offering a secondary entry point at this price level, even though it's extended. So please check out the website. I will put the tracker link in the description section of this video, so you can track it. The tracker will get updated at the end of the day with stock closing price, so you can know the performance of the stock, how it's performing over the days. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. So I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great night.